Welcome to M.A.W. Tips in the house. I've told you about the almighty Highflyer, and some of you missed of a lot of what I've been trying to tell you since I had my channel. Today's little tip: if you have a baby Highflyer, take your bronze pad, put it on your Highflyer. If you have heavily soiled debris that you would like to cut down the amount of time scrubbing, as well as using this as a doodle bug. You have even pressure and it gets right up to the corners. Right up to the corners, man. It's fantastic. But the only thing you might want to do is you might want to swap out your Velcro, because the Velcro doesn't have enough teeth to bite to hold this pad. It will, but if you're going crazy and swiveling and all that, it may shift a little, but that's okay. You change out your Velcro and you'll be fine. I use it as it is. I don't have an issue. It works just fine. It doesn't hold a lot of water, which is the beauty part about it, is because when you're doing French pains, as I'm about to show you, it's just fine, especially for the fake French pains that has the look, but it's not permanently to the glass, and then it constantly drips behind there. In that case, you want to actually put a line of soap on the pad so you can make your solution a little more frothy to eliminate the drips. Let's get into it.
My name is Mothers, I'm a great entertainer. When I clean the windows, that's an ain't no stranger. Try to clean the window faster than me, keeping them bending like a cautious sign. But you'll blow your mind. I clean them more windows than your whole lifetime. You know, I'm like, let's do all that. But the Highflyer behind me, clean the window with my back. The one use of Wagtail it took my soul. Just like the black hole, I was cleaning more windows than the two rows mold.
They out there, they couldn't keep up with me.
If you practice long enough, you'll be slicker than me.
They out there, they couldn't keep up with me.
I get up without Wagtail in the chair. I put it on a pole, put it in the air. Deep in the space, but I ain't bored, but don't
They
stare.
out there, they couldn't keep up with me.
5 o'clock, I'm hitting the block. I'm wagging in the store from shop to shop. Go across the street, get a soda pop, but I
They
won't
out
stop.
there, they couldn't keep up with me.
High-flying windows to the early morn. Raising Wagtail since I was born. I watch it and I squash it some more hours. Half past 5, I'm going around the ride. Put it on a pole and watch it fly. I'm wagging up and down from left and right, and when you see me high-flying, I just take flight. Up and down like I'm mad out of hell. Wagtail excels. I'm knocking windows out like a Tyson bout. Down for the count. 1, 2, 3. If you practice long enough, you'll be slicker than me. I said it before and I'ma say it again. Wagtail move too fast, it'll make your hair spin.
Keep up with me. They out there, they couldn't keep up with me.
I said it before and I'ma say it again. Wagtail move too fast, it'll make your hair spin.
They out there, they couldn't keep up with me. They out there, they couldn't keep up with me. They out there, they couldn't keep up with me.